Damn. They are smoking drugs there, guys. They are smoking drugs right there. But there's a lot of people sitting there on top of the grass here on top. It's really not safe. He's trying to break in that car. Wynberg, guys. This is Wynberg for you. Wynberg.